Hello everyone, welcome to Studitable. My name is Swati, and in this video we're talking about the differences between bot and botnet. So in the past few days we have been hearing news that there have been bot attack on many live streaming YouTube channels where the traffic of the site was increased abruptly and they were forced to end the live stream. There is a minor differences between bot and botnet. So we look into the difference in this video so that we can understand what is the difference if you're talking about a bot attack, then what exactly is a bot and how does it differ from botnet. Okay, so bot is referred to an application that is programmed to perform certain tasks and they can run on their own, following the instructions without needing a person to start them. So they are designed to do things a normal human can do, a repetitive task, and accomplishing them at a much faster rate than what a human can do. But not all bots are bad. There are good bots too. Google bot is one such bot that is used to index websites. So that's a good bot. And there are many kinds of bots: chat bots, spider bots, scraper bots, spam bots, etc. And there are different parameters which we can use to detect if there has been a bot attack or not. You can look at for traffic trends, you can look for traffic sources, for server performance. If the server is underperforming, then you can check out if the server is bombarded with many requests and similar to a DDoS attack, so suspicious IPs, etc. So that's a way where you can check bot that is being attacking us. So now we'll look at the differences here. As we have seen, that bot is a computer program that is designed to perform automated repeatable tasks over the internet at a much faster rate and at a much more accurately than what a human can do. And the term botnet is actually short for robot network, which refers to a group of robot devices. What is a robot device? A robot devices can be anything. It can be a computer, it can be a mobile phone, IoT devices such as cameras or printers, etc., that are connected to the internet. All these devices can be taken into the group of devices that are under control of an attacking party. But though the person can be a single person, that can be an organization, and those devices that are under the control of an attacking party, the devices are also called as bots, and a group of devices are called as botnets. The devices in a botnet have been infected by malware, and the attacker controlling the botnet is also called as the bot herder. So the if it's a single device or if it's a single program that is doing the task, that's a bot. And if it's a group of bots or a group of devices that have been launched to attack networks or a particular organization or group of organizations, then that's a botnet. So bot is a single entity and botnets are a group of bots. So that's a basic difference between them. And the attacker controlling the botnet is also called as the bot herder, and the devices under the control of the attacker are also called as zombie devices. So all these devices that are under the control of the attacker, who have been going along with the instruction that he has given and doing exactly what the instructor has told them to do, and those devices are also called as zombie devices, much like the zombies that we see in movies that roam mindlessly and wait for instructions. Although sometimes they are also called as bot devices or just bots. So that's the confusion. In the next video, we'll see how the botnet attack works. Okay, this was all for this video. See you in the next video.